Welcome to Pro Tools Expert, my name's Dan Cooper, and welcome back to this free video tutorial series where we look at Waves OneKnob plugin series. In this episode, we're going to be taking a look at this OneKnob Pressure. It's a dynamics plugin that can do very nice sort of transparent compression down this end and right the way through to over the top, in your face, pumpy, gritty compression. It's quite nice. We have one thing that we can set in this plugin down here, and this drives the input of the dynamics processor. So we can either pad to back off the input a little bit, unity, and boost. Pretty self-explanatory. So I'm going to use this on a couple of tracks in this mix, and yeah, let's start with drums. Put it on pad for the minute, so the inputs backs off slightly. Really wind it in. Okay, sounds pretty good. Let's muck about now with the input. Unity. Wah. And boost. Now that could work quite well on some room microphones. Bring it back though, a bit too much. Four. Yeah, quite nice. Let's use this on the bass guitar. It's on Unity. Bring the fader down a little bit. And let's hear this in the context of the mix.
No, I didn't want it.
And let's try this on the lead vocal.
But now I know what I need to do. I know that I don't need you. No, I had to live it to know I didn't want it. Now I know what I need to do. I know that I don't need
That's nice.
you. No.
And let's try it on the master as well. See if we can glue this together a little bit. So I'm going to keep it on pads because I want this to be quite transparent.
But now I know what I need to do. I know that I don't need you. No, I had to live it to know I didn't want it. Now I know what I need to do. I know that I don't need you. No.
Okay, let's bypass those four instances.
I didn't want it. No, I didn't want it.
Sounds good. Yes, there are some level differences there. We don't have controls to sort the makeup gain out, but I think this works really well. Anyway, for more information on Waves OneKnob Series plugins, do check out the Waves website. Hope you guys got something from this. I'm Dan from Pro Tools Expert, and I'll see you again soon.